In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit text. We'll start with the text tools. You can also press T as a shortcut. Use the horizontal type tool to enter horizontally on the screen. Click where you want to insert the text. Up here on the options bar, you can select your text options. Click on this button to toggle between vertical and horizontal text orientations. Then choose your font. When you click on the drop-down arrow, you will see an example of just what each font type looks like. Some fonts have additional styles such as light or bold. Next is the font size. You can also set the anti-aliasing method. This list includes 4 different types of smoothing to use on your text, such as sharp. However, you can also choose none, which leaves your text unsmoothed. Choose between left, center, and right justification, and then your text color. All you do is click on the color picker and choose your color. This icon lets you warp text, and this one lets you toggle between the character and paragraph panels, which allow you to format individual type characters or an entire paragraph. Go ahead and type your text. Click on the circle with the line through it to cancel any edits, and click on the check mark to accept them. A new text layer has been added to the top of your Layers panel. To make additional edits, double-click on the text layer thumbnail. The vertical type tool is used to create columns of paragraph text. The horizontal and vertical type mask tools create a selection border in the shape of the text you enter. Press Ctrl D to deselect. To enter a paragraph just as you would in a normal word processing program, drag to create a text box. Then select your options and type. If you want to start a new paragraph, press Enter. I'm going to click on the circle to cancel. Now let's go back to the character panel that we opened earlier. Here too you have the option to change your font, the font style, as well as the size. You can set the leading here. Leading is the amount of space between consecutive lines. You can select a specific amount of leading, or just let Photoshop determine the amount automatically by selecting Auto. Here you can set the tracking, which is the amount of space between letters in a word, line, or paragraph. Negative tracking squeezes all the letters together, and positive tracking spreads them apart. Tracking sets a value to evenly space all the letters you select, while kerning, which you select here, helps you close or widen the gap between 2 individual letters. These are the vertical and horizontal scales, which represent the relationship between the height and width of text.
Future